In this short video, I will show you how to add numbers based on a selection from a drop-down list. This is a simple trick that makes reports and dashboards easier to use, even for those new to spreadsheets. First, get your data ready. You should have one column for the criteria, for example, a category column, and another column with the numbers you want to add, for example, sales. Pick one separate cell where the user will choose from a drop-down list. In my example, the drop-down cell is D2, and the output cell where the total will appear is E2. To create the drop-down list, select cell D2. Go to the Data menu and choose Data Validation. In the Data Validation rules, add a rule and set the criteria to a drop-down from a range. For the range, enter the cells that hold all your unique categories. For example, a 2 through a 5. Click Done, and the drop-down will appear in D2. Now the sumif function. Sumif looks through a range for a match, then adds the numbers in a matching range. Click the output cell E2 and type equals sumif of a 2 through a 5 D2 and B2 through B5, adjusting those ranges to match your sheet. In plain words, the first range is where sumif looks for the category. The second is the cell with the selected category from the drop-down, and the third is the column of numbers that will be summed. After you press Enter, E2 will show the total of all values in the sales column that match the category selected in D2. A few quick troubleshooting tips. Check that the text in the drop-down matches the text in the category column exactly. Watch for extra spaces, and make sure the ranges you use for criteria and sum have the same size. Sumif is not case-sensitive, so capitalization usually does not matter. If you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. In the comments, tell me what problem you want me to solve in the next video. Take care and bye.